Hey everybody, I'm on the south end of Canby. Here's the Dairy Queen that's on my layout. It's nowhere near the depot, but yeah, you know what you got to do. So it's about a 1% downgrade from here, where it crosses the Malala River, and then flattens out and goes up to Hito Hill. So should be catching a southbound Starlight, hopefully. You saw I got a little freight coming into the doctor's office. This used to be a really good restaurant, and you could sit out on the deck and watch the trains. But like all good things, it goes away. So anyway, we'll see what happens. I think this Canby Music store, old house, that's going to have to be put on the layout. I think that looks kind of cool. Well, as advertised, southbound Starlight. I got no hope of chasing him, getting him down in Aurora. And it's raining, so I'm going home. Talk to you later, folks.